Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to share files and folders between two PC using laptop or computer, whatever you are, and Windows 10, 11, 7, whatever Windows version you have, you can share the file and folder without any third-party software. So let's start the process guys without wasting your time guys. First of all, you need to make sure that you are connected with the same network. Make sure you are connected to the same network in host computer as well as in the destination computer. So I'm sharing the file from my Windows 11 PC. So this will be my destination and this will be my host computer. Okay, so let's go to Windows 11. You need to go to same settings here and you need to right click on your Wi-Fi and open the network and internet settings. And once you open that, you need to scroll down and look for advanced network settings. And now again go to this option which says advanced sharing centers, and inside here guys, these are three networks. First click on the private one and make sure you turn on the network discovery. If it is off like this, you need to turn it on. And also file and printing share should be on, so you need to close this now and go to the public networks now and also do the same setting, turn on, and also go to all networks and select here turn on, and bit encryption, choose the recommended one, and then password protected sharing, just turn it off. It will not ask you to password here. Okay, so now we're setup done. Just open the folder now which you want to share with another computer. So I have the folder here, the name is share folder. So you need to right click on the folder, and in Windows 11 just show more options. Then we need to click on the options, give access to specific people, and inside here guys, you need to, let me remove it first, I have tested it already. We need to add here the everyone here. Now click on add, and from the drop down menu give read and write full permission to your folder and click on share. And once you share, this is the address bar. You can copy the link here, you can manually type it or you can mail via send, via the mail or whatever. You can take the photo on your phone to access from the host computer. Okay, just click on done. Now we are good to go. Now we can also go to properties and go to sharing. As you can see here, this is the network path here, so I'm directly copy this. You need to take the photo or whatever, you can share it. Just click on that option. As you can see here, it is shared already. Permissions, all the permission it has. Now we are done with sharing. Now come over to your host computer. Now this is my host computer and you need to open the run command here. Just you need to search here run. Okay, and you need to paste the value, the share link here, and click on OK. Make sure you type double slash, then the host name, then the folder name, and click on OK. And directly you can see here we have successfully able to copy and paste the data from here, and we have successfully able to, let me show you the data here. The same data I should able to see from host computer as well, from this computer. And you can directly copy and paste whatever you like, you can paste it here. This is very easy, and make sure you follow the process. Additionally, you can also paste the value here which we have copied, the link. Let me show you the link of this folder. So sharing. This is the address bar. You can also take the help of IP address, but this is recommended as you can see here. So this is how, guys, you can share file and folders between two computers and PC. So I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.